Welcome to JH. Let's talk about usealeft.com, a platform that claims to be a self-development hub packed with hundreds of tests for everything from IQ and autism to your love style. It sounds great on paper, but so does a free cruise from a telemarketer. When you actually look at the reviews on Trustpilot, the fairy tale falls apart pretty quickly. Users are reporting deceptive mini-offers that silently transform into recurring subscription charges, all hidden behind a suspiciously friendly interface. It's basically a digital Venus flytrap designed to lure you in with a cheap quiz and then drain your bank account while you're not looking. Searching for their social media presence is like hunting for a ghost. There are no official profiles anywhere. For a modern digital platform, being this invisible isn't just mysterious. It's a massive red flag that screams they're avoiding the public eye on purpose. Then there are the classic high-pressure tactics, like ticking countdown timers and offers expiring soon, designed to make you panic. Because nothing says trustworthy mental health resource like inducing a mini-anxiety attack just to get you to click buy before you can think. The lack of transparency only gets worse when you try to find out who actually runs the place. There's zero information about a founder or a leadership team, which is exactly what you'd expect from a company that doesn't want to be found. Even their contact information is a joke. We found that their listed physical address was just lazily copied and pasted from the internet. When you combine the hidden charges, the manipulative urgency, and the fake address, usealeft.com looks less like a self-help site and more like a masterclass in sketchiness. Approach with extreme caution and definitely think twice before handing over your credit card. Thanks for sticking around until the end. And if you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews.